All right, I'm back at work. I got my S300. Let's put this thing in AC mode here. Wow, how long do I have to hold this stupid thing down for? Okay, we're in AC mode. Plug in my laptop in. All right. 100%. Or 100% down there, and it says 11.5 hours. Now for the test, because I brought that cable. This TC90 or whatever the frick it's called. XT60. Okay, so I got the XT60 cable, and I brought the battery pack. All right, so it says 12 hours. Let's see what happens when I plug this thing in. Now, if we die during this video, oh, that's fine. All right, so we're plugged in. I don't know if you can see it, the cable in the way. We're plugged in to the battery. We're charging the system, and we're discharging out. What we're charging the system at doesn't tell me because we're discharging. So I'm assuming we're going in at like 14 watts and we're coming out at 12. Hours aren't going to go up because it's not reading this battery, it's reading the other battery. But it's giving you some time. So we'll see how long this lithium cell lasts while it's plugged into the system while I'm at work. It is 7 in the morning and I'm sitting here at Circus, and we'll see how long it lasts. Let's see how many hours we can actually pull out of this beast.